Before I came to see a doctor, my sinuses were so bad, congested all the time, headaches. He recommended that I do the balloon sinuplasty. I came in, had the procedure done within an hour. I drove myself home. It was that easy. No downtime, no pain, straight breathing.
I'm Dr. Akash Anand. If you suffer from chronic nasal obstruction, recurrent or chronic sinus disease, and are interested in relief, we're here to help.